Hello, this is the second of 3 videos showing how I did exercise number 9, which is an exercise in itself. Okay, so for exercise number 9, I have to find a weekly pay, the taxes, the social security, net pay, and bonus for the Coral County employees. So first I'm going to find a weekly pay, and to do that I have to divide the salary by 52, which is the number of weeks in a year. So 52, enter. And then I'm going to fill it down to save time. Okay, now I have to find the taxes, but before I do that, first I'm going to find the average for the salary and weekly pay. So first I'm going to enter the label average and then format it. And then wrong cell. So format it, and then in cell C12 I'm going to enter the average formula, which is average, then put that and enter, and then fill it over to cell D12. Okay, now I'm going to find the taxes, and to do that I have to use an if function because if the salary is less than $30,000, then the weekly pay should be multiplied by 15%, and if the salary is equal to or higher than $30,000, then the weekly pay should be multiplied by 28%. So this function should look like this: if salary is less than $30,000, then weekly pay should be multiplied by 15%, and if not, should be multiplied by 20%. Then enter, and then fill it out. Okay, now for Social Security. Before I find the Social Security, first I'm going to enter the Social Security rate, which is 6%. So 6%, and now I'm going to find the Social Security, and to do that I have to multiply the weekly pay by 6%. So equal sign weekly pay times 1, and then pull it down. Oh, well, that doesn't look right, so let me see what I did. So the problem here is that B1 is not fixed in place. If when I filled it down, this green box moved down. So to prevent that, I'm going to press F4, and then I'm going to fill it down, and then problem solved. Okay, so now the net pay. The net pay is calculated by subtracting taxes and Social Security from the weekly pay. So equal sign weekly pay minus, in parentheses, taxes plus Social Security, and fill it down. Okay, now that we're done with the net pay, I have to find the bonus. And before that, I have to fill in the positions. So Wong, Smith, and George are managers, and the rest are assistants. So assistant manager, assistant manager. Okay, now to find a bonus, I have to use the if function again. So if the person is a manager, then their weekly pay would be multiplied by 20%, and if not, then 10%. So it should look like this. So if equals if it is equals to manager, and then value if true is weekly pay times 10%, and value if not true is weekly pay times 10%. So then enter, and fill it down. Okay, so that's basically it for exercise number 9, and what I have to do now is enter my name in the header, and December Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching.